Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this is another thing from Paparazzi. I know that I have been doing a lot of these hauls, but my goodness, I cannot help it. This jewelry is so cute, and for $5, you just can't beat it. So and it doesn't look cheap. It looks great. I mean, it's just crazy to me. So anyway, I placed this order online after looking at the website that I have for Cindy. And I have purchased more purchases since then with her. So I am definitely going to be doing a party. And I will let you guys know the details of that as soon as I know. So this came from, I mean, it's from Cindy, but it came from Paparazzi. So let's see, what did I order? And it came with a return policy. So everything is individually wrapped in its own little thing. And I am just going to take my scissors, I think, and just try to be careful, make sure that I don't cut anything of importance. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, so this is beautiful. It has the ribbon, and then it has the beads up here. Then it has a beautiful little twirly, round thing. And then, do I have this in another color already? I don't know, but look how pretty this is. No, I don't. So it has 3 different levels here. I don't know if it's easier to see them when I'm holding them up or if it's on something. But look at how pretty that is. Oh, I might need those. That is so pretty. $5, guys. I mean, I just can't get over it. I mean, look at that. That is gorgeous. And then it has, you know, these 2 little fun things, and then the ribbon that you can make it as big or as small as you want, and then the earrings. So there's that one. Oh, and they might have names. That's called All the Trimmings in Blackbuster. This one is Scarved for Attention in Silver Blockbuster. Oh wow, look at these. So there's fun earrings. Super lightweight. And then this has really 2 very nicely sized chains. But this is what it is. It's a scarf. Kind of. I mean, it... Oh, whoops, that's caught through the thing. I mean, it's just one big long chain. It doesn't have an opening or a closing, so you can double it up. You can wear it long, but it's like just a scarf, a silver scarf. Isn't that cool? And the earrings match. Oh, that is so cool. I'm loving that. Oh my gosh, I think this is the one I wore yesterday. I might already have this and I just bought it again. But that's okay, because you know what? Any duplicates that I have no problem giving them away because they are so pretty. And if I decide that I want to actually sell this, I still haven't decided, but if I decide that I want to, this could be a nice like incentive present or something to a good customer or something like that. Or I could save it and give it as a Christmas present or something. That is so pretty. And I really am not sure because, oh, I think this is the same one that I wore actually just today, but it is so pretty. So there's that. And here is this one. Oh, I was going to tell you the name of this. Oh, it's on this one. Celebrity Treatment White Necklace. So Celebrity Treatment, it has little pearls at the necklace. And then the actual necklace is just lots of different sized pearls in different clusters. Very pretty. Very nice, very nice. And this one is Serene Streams. Also a white necklace, it says. So wow, this is a long one. Oh, there's a staple in here. There we go. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. So it has, they're just caught on the tag. It has cute little earrings that are all different lengths, but fun. And then long necklace. And this beauty at the end. So let me just try to get them straightened up. I mean, look at how pretty that is. And that can, you know, you can wear that with any color since it's white. That is just gorgeous. I absolutely love this. Silver Stream, or Serene Streams. So that is what I ordered from her website, and I have more coming from her. I mean, it's crazy. I think I ordered 3 things one day, and then the other day, yesterday when she had a party, I don't even know how much I ordered. I'm sure it was a ton. So, I don't know. There will be more hauls. I just can't get over the prices. And, I mean, I think $5, well, yeah, I'll take it because $5. And, you know, I'll wear it. I love this stuff. So, and I don't know, I feel like it's just my style. So I am liking it. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.